Hi everyone, welcome back to Lean Medical Billing channel. As we discussed last week, we have started the coding denial related series. So we are continuation of the coding denial. We are going to the next series. So I'm taking you to the denial codes. See, as we discussed last week, we covered the experimental codes. Now we are going back and then we are going to review the denial related to the CPT codes. If you take the CPT code related denial, okay, there is a these are all the type of denial codes you are going to get it. One is CO 181, and then PI 181, then 189, and CO B16, and then PI B16. This B16 code is related to new patient and the established patient, and 189 is related to your unlisted procedure code. Okay, other two is an invalid CPT code. Okay, we'll go through that SOP and we can discuss in detail. Okay, if you go to the SOP of denied for CPT code, I hope everyone can see my screen. So if you go back, if any claim is denied for a CPT code, first check what CPT code is denied in your EOB or ERA and check whether this code is previously paid or not. Okay, if it is previously paid and it is paid within that particular year, that means the code is valid and they are denying for some other reason. Okay, so go back and then send this claim back for reprocess by calling the insurance. Okay, the second lot is if you're checking in your PMS system and previously it is not paid. Okay, that will fall under three different category. One, the CPT is invalid, and the second one is CPT is a new patient code or an established patient code, and the CPT may be the unlisted code. These are all the three major category of a CPT denial. Okay, when you're checking the CPT code, go back and then check whether the CPT is valid for that particular year. So usually your AMA will update every year. They will delete the unused CPT codes and then they will add a new CPT codes every year. You will get that update by October, and then this will be implemented every year in the month of January. So every year, what the PMS, all the medical billing software team will do, they will go back and then they will fix this edit in the PMS system. Okay, your PMS should be capable enough to show you what is valid and invalid code when your charge entry person started entering the charges. So at the time they can check and then they can correct it. Okay, if your PMS does not have the capability, then obviously you may get this kind of denial. See, what will happen is this will be fixed by your clearinghouse also. Okay, so most of the clearinghouses will capture this particular scrubbing, and you will not get this kind of denial in the from the insurance side. Okay, you can fix it from the clearinghouse itself. Okay, if your clearinghouse also not having that capability or you're filing your claim by paper, this can be missed out and you may get this kind of denial. Okay, it's very minimal denial. You won't get this denial because we have a lot of scrubbing systems and some of the PMS systems are very good and they will do two to three level of scrubbing and you won't get these kind of denials. Okay, you are checking the CPT code and it is you're finding that it is an inactive. So then what you need to do, you have to go back to your coding analysis, coding review. Then here, check the coding review and then add a corrected claim here. Okay. By that, you can send your corrected claim. And the second lot, if a claim is denied as a new patient code, you know what is a new patient and established patient, right? Whenever the patient is enrolled in a new medical facility system or with a doctor as a first time, they can be treated as a new patient. And the second visit will be considered as an established patient and new patient when the established patient is not turned up to the same facility or a doctor for 3 years, then he will be considered as a new patient again. There is a difference in a CPT code when it is a new patient and the established patient. See, when the claim is getting denied as a new patient and established patient, check your PMS system whether the claim is previously billed or not. If it is not billed previously, you can call the insurance and then send this claim back for reprocess. If it is previously built, send it to the coding review and then file the correct claim with the correct CPT code. Okay, sometime your code may be the unlisted code, which will end up with 99. So what you need to do, you have to add your billing description in the block number 19, or if you're going to file your claim by electronic, there is an electronic segment is there. You can add your description of the code and then you can file your claim. Okay, most probably this your unlisted code may deny for a medical records. You can send the medical record along with your corrected claim. So this is the way we are going to handle this particular denial. Right. So coming to lean way, okay, that's what we are discussing, right? Okay, well, I'll take you some more detail about your unlisted procedure code. See, this unlisted procedure code mainly used to report services or a procedure which is not found in the manual. That's a new code. The doctor is trying a new methodology where the equivalent CPT code is not there. Then obviously doctor may use this unlisted code, but we have to send a medical record and give a description of it. Okay, it must be described in a claim. And if it is a paper claim, it should be in block number 19. If it is electronic claim, you have to narrate in the free form field. And there is an unlisted code for each section of the CPT manual. If you go to CPT manual, and you can see that unlisted code will be available in each and every section. Okay. See, coming to the lean way. Okay, so what we are trying to do, the same story. Okay, what we are doing, are we doing any value added service in this particular process or not? See, we are putting an input. Our input is always a denied claim, unfortunately, and we are sending for a processing, and we are expecting some output. See, in this stage, okay, we are sending a denied for CPT, and after this process, we identified it may be a invalid code or the new patient established patient changes, or if it is an unlisted code, we are going to add that description and then send the medical record. This is a process, right? If you send the corrected claim or send the corrected details, you are going to get a payment. Okay, so obviously this is adding some value, but we are wasting our time in doing a corrected claim. Okay, so how we can improve that in the lean way? Okay, as usual, we are going to go back to VSM, that is a value stream mapping, and the Gemba walk. So what's our process? We will we'll do the encounter form, and then we will build the claim, and then claim denied for a CPT code, and then we are correcting the claim, and most probably we are getting a payment, right? There's no major challenge in this if you are able to find the correct code. Okay, so how we can improve this process? See, when you're doing an encounter form entry, charge entry, so what you need to do in the lean way, you have to do the billing audit. So what you're going to do is check for the invalid CPT code, okay, before billing that, and then check for the deleted CPT codes and then unlisted code or other category denial. It's this billing audit you have to fix it based on your historical process of your denial. Okay, so if it is anything you identified, if it's unlisted code, you make sure that you are adding a description to block number 13 or freeform method. And then we are going to build the claim. And then see, now we are ruled out the chance of getting denied for invalid CPT code as well as for your unlisted code. Both it is fixed here. See, coming to your build claim, there is only one chance that you may get a denial only for your established patient. See, when you get any established patient, you give your feedback to your coding department to fix this. See, they have to identify why they are getting this kind of new or established patient. They can check whether the previously this code is built or not. If anything, they are getting as a new patient. See, if you give a feedback, obviously your coders may fix your problem here, and then you're going to send the corrected claim and you will get a payment. This feedback will reduce your future denial on this particular scenario. Okay, so this is the way we are going to improve our coding denial, which is related to our CPT code. Okay, this document actually with the denial codes and other thing is available in our website. You can log into www.leanmedicalbilling.com and you can find this Excel. You can download and you can find all other details related to this particular denial. Hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope it will be useful for you to fix your denial permanently and with a lean way. If you enjoyed our video, please like it, share it, and then subscribe to our channel. and do visit our website and then get a lot of training details. Thank you. Have a nice day.